Jimoh Ibrahim. Jimoh Ibrahim is the next on our list on the richest people we have in Nigeria. Jimoh Ibrahim is estimated to have a net worth of $1.1 billion. He is 53 years old and he is a trained lawyer and holds a Master of Public Administration degree from the Obafemi Awolowo University Ile-Ife. He also holds a Master's in Law and International Taxation from Harvard in the USA. He started business early but gained prominence when he organized seminars for all local governments in Nigeria and workshops for federal ministries. He proposed to collect the withholding tax from foreign multinational oil companies for the federal government of Nigeria, and he succeeded. He made several millions of naira from these deals. In 2004, he ventured into the oil business and floated Global Fleet Oil and Gas as the holding company. Global Fleet acquired over 150 filling stations and built its oil depot. His companies include Nikon Insurance, Reinsurance, Nikon Luxury Hotels, Air Nigeria, and Energy Bank in Accra, Ghana. He holds 100% of the Sao Tome and Principe Energy Bank stocks and owns Global Media Mirror, publisher of National Mirror, which has 51% controlling shares of Newswatch magazine. Jimoh Ibrahim is yet to realize his political ambition to be governor of his home state, Ondo, where he contested twice and failed.